Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn Italian. Some words that we use during bath time. Okay? Okay, Emma?
Yeah.
Yes, so let's start. So what do we use during bath time? What do you remember? What do we use?
Shampoo.
Shampoo. Okay, how do you say shampoo in Italian? Remember? I think we've learned this one. So I don't remember though. So shampoo is shampoo.
Shampoo.
Very easy.
Very
easy. What else do we use during bath time?
Uh,
I think the main thing is water.
Water.
So how do you say water in Italian?
Aqua.
Aqua. Yeah.
Mommy, this one. Put this one.
This one. Okay.
This one we bath time.
Yeah, this is really nice.
Ooh.
So we say aqua. So what else do we use? I think we use soap.
Soap.
So how do you say soap in Italian? Sapone. Sapone. Sapone is soap.
Look for this one.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay. Oops. Let's see.
Wow. See, we buy this.
Yes, we can buy that. Not now. Next time. So what else do we use? What else do we use during bath time?
Yeah.
I think we use towel.
Towel.
So how do we say towel in Italian? Is asciugamano.
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 Mama, turn back. Turn back.
Good.
Turn back.
Turn back. Where?
Yeah. I want this
one.
one.
Yeah, this is really pretty. You see?
Yeah.
It's a bear. Bear hoodie. That's really nice. Okay, so what else do we use? I think when we are taking the bath, we have lots of bubbles, right?
Bubbles.
How do you say bubbles in Italian? Bolle. Say bolle.
Bolle.
And if they are smaller, we say bollicine.
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 Where's the big one?
There's a big bolla. You see? There's a big one. And here we have 4 bollicines. One, 2, 3. Oh no, 6. Sorry, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bollicine.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good. So what else do we use during bath time? Do you remember, Jojo or Emma? What else do we use?
I remember.
What else do we use? I think we use some toys, like bath toys, and it's called so bath toys. We say giocattoli da bagno.
Wow.
So say giocattoli da bagno.
Capibano.
Again, giocattoli da bagno.
Capibano. Wow.
It's a bit difficult, right? Okay, so what else do we use? Is it all?
Yeah.
I think we use something else. I don't remember though. Let me see. We said shampoo. We said soap. We didn't say we didn't say sponge. How do you say sponge in Italian?
Well, I like that toy. Yeah.
How do you say sponge in Italian? Spugna.
Pugna.
Say spugna.
Pugna.
Good. Spugna, and then you have different colors of spugna. Ooh,
Mommy.
I don't know why we are seeing cake here. I don't know. Okay, but yeah, it's
Mommy.
spugna. And what else do we use? What else do we use?
I don't know.
Let's see. We said spugna. We said sapone.
Yeah.
We said aqua. We said bolle.
Yeah.
We said asciugamano, which is towel.
Yeah.
And we said giocattoli da bagno.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think we said it all for now. We said shampoo, right?
Yeah.
So I think we said all what we used in bath
Mama,
time.
look, a shadow.
So
Look,
yeah,
shadow.
thank you very much, Emma, for joining me. So what we're gonna do next time, we're gonna learn other words. Okay. So thank you everyone for joining us, and keep watching our videos if you like these, and if you want to learn Italian. or if you want your kids to learn Italian, keep joining us. And yeah, like this video and subscribe. Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.